Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we go about allowing an inbound port through our Server 2016 firewall. I'm currently logged on to my primary domain controller, DC1, and to get this lab started, let's go ahead and click on the Start menu, and from here, find the tile for your control panel, go ahead and launch. Once you find your Windows Firewall, go ahead and double click it to open it up. Now let's go ahead and make this full screen. And over here on the left hand side of the window, click on Advanced Settings. And here we see that we have access to our inbound and outbound rules. Let's go ahead and make this window full screen. Go ahead and click on Inbound Rules. And over here underneath the Actions, you can go ahead and select New Rule. Now from the different options you have available here, you're going to go ahead and select Port. Once we have the port option selected, just go ahead and click Next. And we're going to be using TCP port 443 for this example. So go ahead and make sure you have the radio button selected for TCP. And we're going to specify a particular port. And in this case, that would be 443. Once you have that done, go ahead and click on the Next button. On this next screen, we're going to allow the connection. Go ahead and click Next. We're going to allow for this rule to apply for the domain, private, and public. Go ahead and accept those defaults. Click Next. On this next screen, we have to give the rule a name. So let's call this SSL Inbound and click Finish. You'll now notice that the new rule is at the top of the list, which is good because rules are applied in the order that they are received with the firewall. So we don't want this to be overridden by another rule that's going to block SSL. Now, if you don't want the rule here, you can just right-click on it. You can disable the rule, or you can just delete it. Now, you can do all this, of course, over here underneath the Actions menu as well. And so, for this short video presentation, you got to see how we go about allowing an inbound port through our firewall on a Windows Server 2016 machine.